Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Webform, ASP.NET Webform. Today I'm going to show you first of all some admin functions like bind grid view with the company's table, and also add some operation like insert, update, paging operations like that. So in data sections, first of all add a new grid view, and by the show smart tag choose data source, and in the data source you have to check the connection string. The connection string is similar to your database, that is the shopping cart DB. Actually here the shopping cart DB is not presented here because the database .mdf is looking like. So just again configure data source and select choose data source, and here we have a connection string. So just check it, there is the connection string shopping cart DB. Yes, that is the match which is existing in app data center. Okay, so select the table from the drop down list, that is the company, and also select advanced tab and test query, and the result is final. Also set auto formations by the smart tag, and also enable paging, sorting, editing, deleting. Selection is not mandatory, but you have to check it, otherwise there is not mandatory in the company table. So first of all select the professional table looking like that, and you have to check your output which is generated by default, that is the data ID, company name, and the company description. So edit it successfully. But when you save your data by using the button click, first of all bind the grid view automatically. So grid view one.data bind function will call on the button click. Event handling, so the company added with the operations similar with the products, and the similar you can say the products and the users table also to display in the admin section. So just choose the data source and choose the connection string also from the context menu, and select at product at here, and generate insert, update, delete operations functions, and optimize concurrencies. Click on the finish button. Enable paging, sorting, editing, deleting is also checked, and set auto configuration, auto format, that is the professional. Okay, that's fine. View in browser, you have to also check that product is properly display on your web page. Yeah, that is display properly on the web page. So after that add a new item again, and add a new web form with the master page, and the master page you have to say that add a new item with the master page, that is the all users, you can say. Set the professionals first of all, and choose data source, that is the data source, and connection string is there. The similar operations, similarly you can say all the sign up data will display on your screen. So check to finish. Also enable editing, deleting, sorting, and selections also there. So checked all these. View in browser also. Yeah, actually admin have some functionalities like the to display all these tables one by one. After the navigations, click the navigations menu, the which all these display properly. Add a new web form for the order table also. So order, you can say order, that is table you have to pick. You are picking from database table, and connection string. So all these tables will show by the admin. Okay, so these are the operations: configure data source. So this is the admin functionality. I mean to say that a admin can have a user can have update any products, delete any products, see user details, etc. Okay, so these are the functionalities seen by admin. And after that you will go to the page payment.aspx. Okay, now after the on the payment.aspx, applied some validation rules, some validations like required field validator, required field validator in front of all these fields, connected with all these fields like the card number, name on the card, CVV and expiry date and year, you can say. So month and year also mentioned it here. Name on the card is required. So first of all, change all these all control IDs. So also add a validation group property for all these control. So properties is ID property, that is number text, and the CVV is CVV text, and validation group is PV, that is the similar for all these control, that is PV. And button also set the validation group property, and the ID property of the control is expiry year, so EY text. And required field validator for applied for the name on the and the card number also. Set the control to validate property is most. Error message, 4 color, validation group property, these are control to validate property is must to set, that is the required property. If you use validations. Okay, so the 4 color is red in the CVV, and the validation group is PV. Okay, and the control to validate is CVV text, sorry, EY text, that is the expiry year text. Okay, that's fine. Now also set the validation group property for the button. Now you can test it. Also use regular expression validator for the card numbers. So 4 color is this. Error message is the card number error, you can say, and the validation group property is PV, and the validation expression is this. Okay, so this is the validation expression. You can check, you can just googling to validation string is easily available on the Google. So just type in the Google, that is the card number validation regular expressions. So lots of regular expression is available on the Google, so you have to check it. That is the 16-digit number to check it. That is lots of digits card number error. So again card number error, so just match it the 16-digit number. So just removed it, and again type in the 4-digit number, in between gap also mentioned. But if you take it gap in between the number, there is not support. So just remove that number gaps and check it again. Yes, it's solved. So the regular expression will have work with the card number. Okay, so CVV number also validate by the regular expressions. So also lots of validations. Control to validate is the CVV text, and the control to for color is red, and validation that is available on the internet, that is 0 to 9, that is the digit 0 to 9 in between, and 3 to 4, I mean to say that a number of the digits you will take in CVV, that is the 3 or 4. Okay, so CVV number error, but I think it is a wrong because I have to check 0 to 9 is not mandatory. You can enter the digits only. So 0 to 9 replace with the D, I think. Again you have to check it in the expiry year also mentioned with the regular expression. So just add it, and the error message is expiry year error, you can say. Expiry year, month and year is validation. Control to validate is EY text, for color is the red, and the validation group properties must to set, that is PV, and validation expression is this looking like that. So just save this and run it. So first of all check the CVV number. The CVV number is that is the card number. Oops, in the 4 digit you have to enter it. Yeah, that is the card number. CVV number error. Yeah, CVV number error. Oops, I know that is the wrong. Again expiry year is also wrong, because in the expiry year you have to mention the month and the year also. So it's not an error mentioned in the properly in the text format. So CVV number is the wrong, because 0 to 9 digit is not mandatory, only digit is mandatory. So expiry year is also false. If you have only years, you have to take a month as well as year and separated by the slash. Okay, in the expiry year, but solve the CVV number regular expression, and here you can see that 0 to 9 is the digit number, but you can take it here slash D in place of instead of 0 to 9, and also 3 to 3, I mean to say that 3 digit number and only 3 digit number. Okay, so again you have to check it, the validation error message. Yes, CVV number error, again you can take it 3 digits. Yeah, it's validate, and you can check it the expiry year. Actually expiry year is the slash and backslash with the month and year. You can check it 0 to 9, 1 to 9, 1, in 0 to 2, I mean to say that only the month, and month is 1 to 2, yani ki 12 years months, and year is also mentioned in the format of 2020, I mean to say that 4 times y. So 0, 9 is 2, it is a validate. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Web Form shopping cart projects, and I will help you any related queries. So please comment it, and please share it, this video, don't forget, and also subscribe my channel, and I will help you in lots of questions. Thank you very much for watching.